guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the screen video in CapCut PC. Select your video and add in like another video on top, mirror it, and you're just going to select blend mode screen, go to mask and select circle and just reverse that and like select the part you don't want the video to be, and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit like that. I'm going to then go to filters, go and add in lost forest to your video and kind of adjust the strength a little bit on it, and then you can go to effects and you can then add in the blur effect to it, and I'm just actually just going to add it to the video like this part. And you can adjust the like blur of it. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!